Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make an organizational structure in Google Docs. Let's begin. See this? Go to Insert tab, Drawing, New Drawing, and create a new shape. Select your shape box. Example, use rectangle shape. Select rectangle and color. Double click, then write text. Example, SEO. Select, increase size, bold or not bold, text color white, align middle center. Then again hold Control, select another box, again hold Control and resize. Okay, then manager on, align already middle, delete, hold Control again, 2, press, already align middle. Then click the line tool, drop down menu, select arrow tool or line tool. Example, use line tool, middle, size again, increase the size, line style. Okay, then that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.